This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a simple stewed pork belly with chestnuts. These are dried chestnuts. I picked them up from the dried goods section of the supermarket. All you need to do is to soak them for an hour or more. I also have here 400 grams of pork belly that I've cut up into about 2 cm strips. Now, in a pan over medium-high heat, put in the pork belly. There is no need to add any oil here, as the pork belly will render its own fat. Fry them till most of it becomes white. This should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Add in the chestnuts, one tablespoon of dark soy sauce, two tablespoons of light soy sauce. And half a teaspoon of sugar. Next, add in 300 ml of water. Give it a good mix and fry it for about 30 seconds. Bring this to a boil and lower the heat to a simmer. Cover and let it simmer for 30 minutes. But make sure you give it a good stir every 10 minutes to make sure that all the ingredients get some loving. This is also to check that the water has not dried up. If it gets too dry, add more water. After 30 minutes, the liquids will have been reduced. The amount of sauce you want should be about a quarter to halfway up the ingredients. Taste and adjust for seasoning. To finish the dish, sprinkle some white pepper on top just before serving. This is stewed pork belly with chestnuts.